this dishwasher here gave me problems, man. So we came in, you know, during the inspection, we tested it. So alright, dishwasher works. The dishwasher works. Water running through it, power, everything seemed to be working. You know, because we just tested it real quick on that inspection. You might have time to like thoroughly inspect every appliance, but you expect because it's new that everything's gonna work as needed, right? As intended. So yeah, first week, second week, we in here, we use the dishwasher. Probably just using paper plates because we got all our utensils and china and all that. So we ain't really tested. Third week comes about, we run the dishwasher and error message come out. I think it's like an ER9 or something comes up on there. And what the hell's going on? It's a brand new dishwasher. How come it work? I know we tested it, we heard it, going through all this stuff in your mind, thinking, you start thinking the words like, damn, just bought this house, I can't afford a new dishwasher. So it's a lot. But anyway, I looked up the error code. Turns out that the error code tells you that there is no water in the unit, right? Error code tells you that there's no water getting to the unit. So I started looking at the piping. You know, they pipe the dishwasher from the same source that goes to the kitchen sink. So I look at that connection. It's good. There's a tag on it though, and it says some kind of no leak, stop leak, leak guard, flood guard. Flood guard, something like that on it. So I'm like, I've never seen this before. It's a little strange. I know water's getting to the sink, so why isn't I getting there? So anyway, I do some more research. I found a company and emailed them. I'm like, yo, this shit's not working. I unplug it, plug it back in. I realized from doing some research on Google that the way how it's supposed to work is that if it senses too much water pressure going in the direction of the hose to the dishwasher, it'll like close. So it'll stop whatever leak past that valve, that safety valve, which is cool, brilliant, you know, makes sense, rather than having the dishwasher run and, you know, just soak up the whole floor and probably damage your whole kitchen. It'll stop that, and that's great. You know, I appreciate them for putting that in. But right now it's not working, and there's definitely no leaks. I'm looking at it, everything's turned on the way it's supposed to be. Double check the connections, pull out the dishwasher, unhook it from the cabinet, all that stuff, and it's puzzling me, you know. So anyway, find the instructions. The instructions say open it up, disconnect it from the hose, and then put it back on. I'm gonna try to get y'all a picture. I could insert a picture like right here or something of that. I'll do that just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to explain, and I can't maneuver into going into here right now, but yeah, we'll do it. Put the picture right here, right? So yeah, anyway, I disconnected, reconnected a couple times, still not working. That's when I end up emailing the company, but I call them. This is probably like 6 o'clock in the evening, and of course they're in like mountain time zone, so who knows what time it is there. Nobody working. So I had to just keep researching, checking out myself. So after like the 5th time, me unplugging this thing, putting it back on, and putting on the power, starting the dishwasher, finally it turns on. And I'm like, damn, man. Thank God, you know? So it was a relief. Fresh in the dishwasher.